Neck hump is caused by poor posture and muscle imbalances, which can lead to pain and reduce mobility in the neck and shoulder region. And in severe cases, it can also involve the nerves around that region. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will be doing gentle asanas to stretch and strengthen the muscles in the neck and the surrounding areas. This is going to help improve alignment, improve our posture, reduce pain, as well as strengthen the muscles. If you want to dig deeper into understanding the neck hump, its causes, and the problems that come with it, I will leave a more detailed write-up in the description below. So we'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position. You can do this either sitting on the mat or on the chair. This is just the last asana that we need to do either lying on the mat or on your bed. Sit tall, keeping your back straight, chin parallel, palms in receiving position. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, close your eyes. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Bring it back to center. Bringing your left ear to your left shoulder. Just noticing if you feel any tightness, if there's any pain. Slowly drop your chin in the direction of your chest, noticing how the back of your neck feels. Take another deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Bring your gaze forward. This time, drop your head back, chin in the direction where the wall meets the ceiling. Noticing the stretch in the front of your neck and the compression in the back of your neck. Slowly look forward. Now we're going to draw circles with the tip of our nose. 5 clockwise. Eyes can stay closed or keep a soft gaze. Once you do 2 to 3 rounds and you're feeling comfortable in your neck, start drawing circles with your chin. So you're doing bigger circles. If that doesn't feel good, go back to drawing circles with the tip of your nose. Eventually, with practice, it's going to get better. Anti-clockwise. 5. At no point you're holding your breath. Keep breathing in and out. And 1. Slowly bring your chin towards your right shoulder. If you want, you can continue to keep your eyes closed. And now slowly bring it to your left shoulder. All the time observing how your neck feels, noticing any tension, any pain, any tightness. And back to center. Now raise your shoulders towards your ears. Slowly drop it down. Again, inhale. Raise your shoulders towards your ears and down. Again, raise and down. Now drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Don't raise your shoulder. Your shoulder is in neutral position. Just bring your ear to your shoulder. Right ear, right shoulder, left hand stretches out. Turn the palm towards the back wall. Bend the elbows and wrap that arm behind your back. Now with your right hand, grab hold of your fingers and see if you can stretch your arms so that you can bring your fingers to come to rest on the outside of your waist, the right side of your waist. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. This is just to deepen the stretch. Okay? If this is too much, you can simply let it rest behind your back. Wrap and hold. Now take your right hand. Place your right hand over your the left side of your ear, just above your left ear. Breathe in. You're not pulling, okay? You're just resting it here. Now just use your breath. Inhale. Completely exhale. Again, breath in. And breath out. Every time you're breathing out, releasing tension from that region. Release slowly. Bring your head back to center. Release that hand, stretch it out. Bring the left arm all the way towards the fingers pointing towards the right side. Bend at the elbow. Rest your left palm on your right shoulder. Right hand just behind the elbow, the left elbow, and press and stretch. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, turn and look over your left shoulder. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more deep breath in. Create length. And exhale. Just noticing the nice stretch all along your shoulder. Release. The other side. I'm going to show it to you from the side. Drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Right hand extends out. Turn the palms towards the back wall. Bend the elbows. Drop it behind. Notice I'm not raising my shoulder. Shoulder stays low. With my left hand, I'm going to try and grab and try to wrap it. If this is comfortable, let it stay here. If not, you can bring it back. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Ear towards your shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Now bring your left palm. Place it just above your right ear. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Two. And one. On your next inhalation, just release your hand. Head comes back. Release. Bring both your hands up towards the ceiling. And take it behind you. With your left, grab hold of your right wrist. And stretch and open your chest. Shoulder blades towards the midline. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Release. Arms like the letter L. Take your right palm. Wrap it from under your left. Try to bring your elbows to point straight ahead. Arms parallel to the earth. Drop your chin towards your chest. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out, relaxing the muscles in your back, upper back and shoulder. One more inhalation, full exhalation. And one. Release. Bringing your arms in line with your shoulders, elbows in line with your shoulders. And now slowly, slightly below your shoulder. This is how it's going to look. Bring it below your shoulder. And push your shoulder blades towards the midline. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Now you can do all of this sitting even in Vajrasana. But if you're new to the practice, if you're a beginner, then begin in this, sitting in Sukhasana or on your chair. Once more, inhale, exhale, fingertips pointing towards the ceiling. Every time you breathe out, just trying to bring your shoulder blades towards the midline. And one. Release. Drop your hands down, drop your chin to chest. Take another breath in. Breathe out. This time bring back your arms like the letter L. You're going to wrap your left from under your right. Elbows pointing straight ahead. Simply stay here. Your gaze is forward. You want to take it further. Drop your chin to chest. You're trying to look in the space between your arms. You're trying to look at your belly or your thigh. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Relaxing the upper back and neck. Once more, breath in and breath out. Release. Drop your hands down, drop your head to either side. Shake your neck, drop your chin forward and up. Now bring both your hands up towards the ceiling and bring your arms like the letter L, elbows in line with your waist, fingertips, palms facing ahead, thumb towards the ceiling, little finger towards the earth. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, push your shoulder blades towards the midline. Inhale, completely exhale. Try and take it behind. One more breath in and breath out. Drop it down. Shoulders towards the ears. Drop it down. Drop your ears to either side. Whatever movement comes naturally, comes organically, you can do that. Now, from here, we're going to sit tall. Keep your back straight. Take a deep breath in. I'll show this to you from the side. Inhale. Completely exhale. Neck is in neutral position. One more deep breath in, and as you breathe out, chin forward. You're just tucking your chin, turtle breathing. As you breathe in, come to neutral position. Breathe out, forward. Breathe in, backward. We're not going all this way. We're simply here, neutral. Three more, nice and slow here. The range of movement is very little. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. The movement of tucking is more pronounced than the sending your chin forward. Last one. And back. Release. Now reach both your hands up towards the ceiling. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Open your elbows to the side. Bringing your fingers are pointing towards the ceiling, elbows stretched out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Once again, inhale. Completely exhale. Every time you notice, there's some tension there, exhale through your mouth, relaxing your muscles. Release your hands, drop it down. Bring your arms forward. Your left hand over your right shoulder, right over your left. Drop your chin to chest. See if you can pull the navel in, trying to bring the elbows in the direction of your thighs. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. One more breath in. Breath out. Release. Release your hands. See how your neck feels. Now grab hold of a block, or if you have a towel, you can place that. Place a block so that the top edge comes to where the hump in your back starts. Lie down. Adjust if you need to. Open your legs wide. Drop your head. Open your hands wide. Okay, this is one that you can do using a block. Now I'll show you Matsyasana, your fish pose, where you don't need to use a block. Legs extended out. Bring your elbows beneath your shoulder and drop your head and look back. Breathe in, breathe out. Now if this is comfortable and you want to go further, reach your hands forward and try to bring the crown of the head in the direction of the mat. Nice stretch. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 2 and 1. You can choose what works for you. Eventually you can go to the full expression of the pose. At this point, if this is what works for you, stay here. Breathe, breathe out. Initially your neck may collapse into your shoulder, that's fine. The more you move your elbows further, you'll be able to open it deeper. Release. You can always use this block. Place it here. Drop your head, open your arms to the side. Rest. If you need to adjust, adjust. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. If the block kind of is digging and causing discomfort, you can always roll a mat in place. Or you can simply rest here. Drop your head to either side. Rest in Shavasana. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Bringing all your awareness to your neck. Noticing how your neck feels compared to when you begin class. Breathe in. As you exhale, releasing any tension in your neck region. Next time you breathe out, simply stay here, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Three more breaths in and out. Stay here for as long as you feel like. Thank you so much for doing this class with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video was helpful, please like and share. Namaste.